Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Cookbook Chronicles. Today, we're taking a refreshing trip to one of Mexico City's iconic restaurants, Contramar. Famous not just for its seafood, but its unbelievably fresh and vibrant agua frescas. What exactly is an agua fresca, you might be asking yourself? Literally translated, what it is fresh water. But it's actually so much more. And typically it's made by blending fresh fruits, seeds, flowers, or grains with water, a touch of sugar, and sometimes lime. Agua frescas are light, naturally sweet, and endlessly adaptable. So today we're going to be focusing on making 4 different types, starting with kiwi and lime, then strawberries, and Cara Cara Orange-pineapple, then finally ending with just a regular old delicious pineapple agua fresca. I'll be sure to provide all the recipes for each individual agua fresca that we're making today, and they are so simple to make that you'll be able to make these no problem. And like I said before, you could change out the fruit and kind of use that same ratio of what I'm going to provide for you guys. However, if you think that the amount of sugar is too much, you could always start off with a little bit less than what I'm providing and taste as you go. Just remember that you could always add more, but you can never take away. For this recipe and all the recipes moving forward, I used 3 cups of filtered water and a 1/4 cup of sugar. However, for this exact recipe that I'm working on now, with the kiwis and the lime, it is 1 whole lime cut in quarters, 3 whole kiwi, and when you go to blend it, don't over blend it because otherwise you're going to have a really bitter and not very good tasting agua fresca. You could just omit the lime, that's fine, and just use lime juice, but I kind of like having a little bit of that zesty flavor in there. I am purposely holding off on making horchata, and I didn't include it in this video because I plan to do one video that has different styles of horchata, and I wanted to save it for some special occasion where I get to just show again those different styles that different parts of Mexico, maybe even Central America, have of horchata, because each one is slightly different. But I wanted to be sure I expressed those different varieties. But until then, enjoy watching me make these 4 agua frescas. Just look at these beautiful colors. You have bright red, lime green, orange, bright yellow. Simply amazing. They're light, they're refreshing, and they're true to Contramar spirit of Agua Frescas, celebrating the beauty of simple, quality ingredients. If you ever find yourself in Mexico City, Contramar is absolutely worth the visit. Judging from the recipes that I've created from Gabriela's book already, I know that it's just a magical restaurant that you must experience. Thanks again for watching Cookbook Chronicles. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more recipes and culinary adventures. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite agua fresca flavor? Thanks again, and I will see you on the next episode of Cookbook Chronicles.